So if you want to create and save custom routes on maps on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your maps. Now let's choose the starting point. For example, let it be right here. So simply hold your finger on it. All right, so this is gonna be our starting point. Let's press more and let's press create a custom route. Great, now let's add up more points. So simply hold your finger around that area. If you need more, you can adjust the size of the map. You can pitch it or make it bigger, smaller. Great. Let's add up more route. And let's hold here. This is gonna be our final stop. Great, this is our final stop. So here is our route, we can see it. So to save it, we can press save and it's gonna be saved. If you want to create a reversed one, simply press reversed on the back. Also, you can press close loop for the finish of this route. So when you're done, let's press directions. Press OK. So here's your directions. You can also add stops manually by simply inserting your locations right here. You can choose the mean of transport. You can see your ETA here, right? Easy as that. And basically that's how you do this. Well, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.